Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. Today we are doing my June empties. A few days late, I've just been a little busy. So let's go ahead and dig right in. The first thing we have is the Shakai Moisturizing Shower Gel in Coconut. This is my favorite body wash. It just is relatively affordable and vegan, cruelty free, and easy for me to get my hands on, especially multi-packs on Amazon. And then they often have these on sale at our local organic grocer, so it's easy for me to get my hands on this, and I really like all the scents. I just opened the pomegranate. Austin really likes that one too, so finished that. He also finished, and this looks insane, the Kisnut hair and body wash from the Body Shop. He really likes this. Then we have the Baby Bum Mineral 50 Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. I did not like this. I'm not a huge fan of mineral sunscreens. I know they are probably better for the skin and better for the environment, but this one in particular, it takes forever and a day to rub in, and it leaves the grossest white cast. It's just not a good one. I mean, if you are using it for a baby, it doesn't really matter if they look a little white cast or it doesn't rub in quite well, but like, I don't know, as an adult, I just don't want to fuss with this. I do love that it's fragrance free though. I finished the Lumi Deodorant. This was the Invisible Cream in Lavender Sage, and I have to say I like the cream so much better than the stick. Now I do have a few of the mini sticks for travel, and it's like an orange or a tangerine or something scent, and I'm liking that for travel, especially because it's easy to throw in my purse if I want to touch up. But when, because I might repurchase this, I repurchase Lumi, I will be going for the cream. I do think that it works with my body chemistry better. I finished my nighttime moisturizer. It's the Pharmacy 10% Niacinamide Night Mask with vitamin B. I think this is a really, really great nighttime moisturizer. Right now I'm using the like super popular one from Drunk Elephant, and I like that one too. I don't know how I feel about this one versus that one. I think I like them both. I feel like this might be just a hair more moisturizing for me personally. I probably will go back to this for winter when it's a little drier, but I do really like the Drunk Elephant one too. Even though it's thick and lush and you think it'd be more moisturizing, my face just soaks that one straight in. So, I don't know. Don't know what to think. I like them both, but I do foresee in my future repurchasing this. Another face product I really love, it's the Pure Ceuticals Ferulic C Antioxidant Serum, which has L-ascorbic acid and resveratrol. So this is a vitamin C product. I really liked this. I think my skin really likes this. I have so many vitamin C products currently that I can't get to repurchasing this at the moment, but I definitely consider repurchasing it in the future. Now, a vitamin C that I cannot get down with, this is the 100% Pure Vitamin C Boost Concentrated Treatment. This is a dry product. It's a powder. Yeah, it's water. You rub it in your hands. I don't like the form factor at all. I couldn't get it to get smooth. It felt gritty even after kind of rubbing it in together for a while. I'm not fond of it. I don't want to fuss with it. I don't want to fool with it. I don't want to learn the tricks of the trade. I'm just going to give it away. I have so many other vitamin C's. Finished a fragrance, which is kind of crazy because I have so many little vials of fragrance. I like so many different smells. But I finished the By Rosie Jane fragrance in Matty. Now this particular vial did not come completely full. Sephora was very easy with customer service and sent me a completely full one right away. But I actually used this up so fast. This is one of my favorite smells. It is such a nostalgic scent for me. It reminds me of a particular, I don't know the brand, sunscreen that my mom and grandma would use on us when we would go camping in Hershey, Pennsylvania in the summers as kids, and I love this scent so much. It's, I don't know if I want to call it my favorite scent. It might be my favorite scent, but it's 100% my favorite for spring and summer. So I love this, and I've already opened the replacement that was sent since this was sent, missing some product, and I love that too, and I love this scent so much. Keeping with fragrance, I finished my second petal of the Treehouse Royal Walk the Green Carpet fragrance, which is bergamot, fig, and moss. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful smell. I'd love to walk past someone wearing this and be like, "Oh, you smell really good." But it doesn't quite match my personality, I feel like. So it's not something I'd purchase, but oh god, it's a beautiful smell. If any of those bergamot figure moss are your jam, I definitely recommend Treehouse Royal from Penrose. And then this is the one I actually put on today. I know it's technically July when I'm filming, but I just figured I'm filming whatever. It's my first empty of the month. It's going in with the June stuff. And it is the Penrose Petal One of a Kind, Play Your Way. And this smells so good too. This is a very nostalgic scent for me as well. It's Bulgarian Rose, Turkish Clove, and Patchouli. And this reminds me of something my grandma used to have. I don't know if it was a fragrance or a cream. I want to say it's like a cream from Avon or something. When I was a child, I remember playing in her stuff and smelling the smell. And it's so good. And I can see how someone might smell this and immediately their mind go to old lady, because it does kind of have that vibe. That being said, I love an old lady smell, and I think this smells so good. I'm gonna hold off deciding if I want a bottle of this or not until I use the second bottle, but right now I kind of love it. It's so good. And then one other fragrance. This is from my travel items. I used this up on our last trip to the ocean. This is the Ellis Brooklyn sample of Apple Love. Apple Love. Now, I know I'm saying a lot of favorites here, but Apple Love from Ellis Brooklyn might be my favorite fall scent. I really, really love an apple smell. I used to really love the Nina Ricci apple, and then that DKNY one that looked like an apple. I don't know if that was super apple. I really used to like those smells. This I love. It's so good. Let's see if it has any descriptors I can give you guys. Oh, here we go. Top, red apple, mandarin, safuma, and peach skin. The mid is plum blossom, osmanthus, muguet, and sugarcane. Some of these words I've never seen before. And then the dry down is sandalwood, vanilla, Madagascar. I think that means Madagascar vanilla, just written backwards. Ambrux and musk. I think this is so good. So highly recommend this one as well. And I guess since that was a travel item, we'll talk about a few of my travel items. I used 2 of these Timeless 20% vitamin C and ferulic acid serum packets. These have been really great for travel, especially when we're just doing an extended weekend. I usually only do vitamin C in my morning routine, so it's been nice. I can kind of use 1 packet for a whole just mini weekend trip, so that's really nice. These have come in clutch. And then I finished 2 lotion products. The first was from Rare Beauty, and I don't know what it's, oh, here we go. Hydrating body lotion. Now I have to say, I don't know if it's Rare Beauty's fault or Sephora's fault or what, but this had barely anything in it. Like, I barely got a 1 body lotion up from this, so that was kind of annoying. I cut it open and there was like hardly anything to dig out, so annoying, but it was a really nice lotion. And then the Necessaire, the body serum. Now I know I said I didn't love the body serum after using the full size. I don't know why. I feel like the samples just are better. I don't know if they don't get separated as much or what. I have no idea, but I enjoyed using the sample. So I guess my opinion, the verdict is out on the body serum from Necessaire. I do really like the body lotion, and I'm going through lotion since I'm working out every day and showering nearly every day. So I might reorder the regular, the body lotion, just to have as my everyday basic lotion, because I do like that one. From the Good Patch, I used the Be Calm patch. I've used these before. I kind of just used it because I had it. I don't think these really do anything. They're kind of like woo-woo science in my mind. I also used the 100% Pure Anti-Acne Sheet Mask. I haven't been doing as many masks lately. I just haven't felt like fussing with it. But I do love a sheet mask because they're just easier than having to go back and rewash your face to get all the gunk off of like a clay or a cream mask. But yeah, these are just nice little fun things to do. And then the last item I have, which you will probably see a few of these in the future because I was given a whole pack of them, is the William Morris At Home Clementine and Clove Hand Cream. I think my brother and sister-in-law just saw the word vegan printed on them and bought it to give to me for Christmas. Now, I don't love these scents. It's not like a gnawing, terrible scent that would make me want to give them all away, but it's just not my favorite scent. It reminds me of like 90s old lady potpourri, but I'm putting it on before bed, so who cares? But it is a solid hand cream. It soaks in fast. My hands don't wake up dry. They've been looking good. So I will use them all up, but I wouldn't repurchase these. And that is everything I used up in the month of June. I will leave links to all of my favorite items mentioned in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!